Løvenskiold is the owner of a big chain of stores called Maxbo. These stores are builders' merchants stores, and we sell products like timberware and paints and all sorts of things to professional customers and consumer customers.
We were about to launch a rather big program, engaging a lot of people. And in a program like that, we had a challenge, both the fact that we needed to implement a lot of new processes. We knew that it was going to be a lot of technical development, and we had a lot of people that needed to be engaged in the business. And then finally getting a good introduction to the system that we were going to use. And then we actually found the RapidValue tool and started to use that. We decided to actually go for the 2-day full extensive training together with Columbus. And the challenge is to get our employees to engage in developing the process. And this is what the training actually managed to support us with, getting them practically involved in process modeling. The core of the tool is process modeling. But the good thing with it is actually linked to a lot of other areas. So like whenever we want to develop new functionality, we can actually link processes to requirement and actually further into other tools where we actually manage the development.
I think the tool will help us a lot in onboarding new users to the system. They can do their training in the tool. And if there are new processes or changes to processes, this can also be recorded and distributed to all users, and they can learn how to use the new way of solving their day-to-day work.
So the tool actually helped us in understanding our requirements a lot quicker. And inevitably that would mean spending more time and the project costing a lot more.
I would say, based on my own experience, I think we'll probably have saved approximately 6 months just to gather all the information, draw up the different processes.